Gets inside. Naagawan. The pass break. And binitbit. Lays. Back to back. Puntos para kay Ataide. Get through inside. Hook shot. Basket is good. Attacking the defense. Pinabitin. Ang in the air. Basket is good. And Ataide. Inside pass. Fires. Basket is good. Welcome to NBTC North Luzon Championships Battle. And here at the top. And ball is stolen. Here you go. Martin straight to the host. Basket is good. Ura. And high pass. Martin. Wants isolation. Martin pass it to the middle. Buenaventura launches on 3. Bang! Buenaventura. And here's number 24, Takulad. And number 11, inside pass, fires. Negid. Rebound pa rin para sa Nueva Ecija Achievers. Launches on 3. Bang! 3 points at Ataide. And pass it to the middle. And open fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. Buenaventura now at the top. Goes to the screen. Corpus will fire 3. Short. Rebound number 16. And Ataide will receive. Ataide. Bounce pass inside. Fires. Left-handed. Basket is good. And his score stolen. And his team Achievers. Framil. Launches on 3. Bang! 3 points. Vidal. And here's Guillermo. Bump. Inside pass. Lisa. Basket for 2. And ball is stolen. And here's Martin bumping. Firing. Basket is good. Martin. And here's number 15. Oh, rejected by. And the follow-up shot is good. Tahano the rebound. Guillermo. Now in Hero. High pass. And the kicks out. To the middle. And drives the pass. Oh, Barangan with the finish. And the long pass. And attack. Inside pass. The floor there. Oh, Balanay. Guillermo against Balanay. Guarded by 2. Ball is stolen. And here's Balanay with the lace. Yes, sir. Balanay. And here comes the Generals. Guillermo. Dribbling at the top. And passes to Barangan. 2 fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. Score po. Viola. And the Corpus. Fires at 3. Oh, tanggalin. 3 points. Baranan. Guillermo. Through inside. Inside pass. Stolen. And here you go. Balanay. Spinning. Stops. Corner. Open look. Fires at 3. Na good. Rebound. Mapupunta sa team the General. The pass break. And the lace. Oh, Viola. Ugali. Final free throw. And here comes Achievers. Stolen by Vidal. Vidal. Easy lace. Vidal. That's the end. And here for the inbound. Number 26. Pass to number 27. Vidal kicks out. Bang! 3 points. And the hook pass. Wings area. Picks. High pass to the middle. Gets inside. Naagawan. The pass break. And binitbit. Lays. Back to back. Puntos para. And for the inbound. Ataide. And pass it to the wing area. Takulad. Stops. Bounce pass. Wings side. Goes inside the lace. Basket and 1. Cristobal. Buenaventura. Pass to Vidal. Attacking the defense. Pinabitin. Ang in the air. Basket is good. Buenaventura against Takulad. And the pass. Launches on deep. Bang! Another 3. Buenaventura against Takulad. Buenaventura. And the pass. He stops for 3. Bang! Back-to-back three. Vyoda. Framil. Susubok. Nagud. Rebound follow-up shot by Garcia. Benaventura goes to the wing area. Dribbling the ball. Lead spinning. And pass to the middle. And Ugali stops. Passes to the middle. Vyoda. Pass to Corpus. Will 3. Bang! Another 3. Benaventura. Pass to the wing area. Framil will drive. Inside pass. Bucket is good. Vidal. Now looking for the receiver. Number 11 Fix. He steps inside. Kicks out. Pull up jumper. Gets it to go. And here's Viado. A bullet pass inside. Ball is stolen. Ataide. Ataide. Get through inside. Hook shot. Bucket is good. Ugali inbounding. Pass it to the middle. Barangan. To Guillermo. Guillermo. Kicks out. Barangan. Will drive. And stolen. And here's Tanggalin to the middle. Vice. Basket and one. Tanggalin. Pass to the middle. Wings area. Vidal. Guarded by two men. And here's Steve spins. Stolen. And Ataide. Inside pass. Vice. Bucket is good. And Calosa. Inside pass. Decided to take it easy. Calosa to the wing area. Goes inside. Ramos release. Basket is good. And here's Guillermo na agawan ulit. Ramos. Yes, it's in. Yes, it too. And high pass. And here's Vidal. Kicks out. Martin the floater. Basket is good. Martin. That Guillermo. Now at the top. Inside pass. Reverse layup. Basket is good. Martin. Ramos bounce pass to the wing area. Balanay to the middle. Pass back to Balanay. Pull up jumper at the free throw. No good. Guillermo. Now at the top. Dribbling the ball. Bounce pass. Martin. Pass to the middle. Inside pass fast. Basket is good. And attacks. Ball is stolen. And the bounce pass. Ramos release. Basket is good. 3-point lead for the Achievers. Is spinning. Corner. Open. Fast at 3 for the tie. Nugget. Rebound Guillermo. Martin open look. Bang! Tie game. Martin. Bounce pass to Ramos. Ramos will attack. Inside. Hook shot. Oop. Oh, in. And we are tied at 50. Bounce pass now. Libre. Easy bucket. Taklob. Takulad. The long pass. Fix. Fast at 3. Nugget. Rebound. Number 23, Balanay. Bounce pass. Number 6 holds the ball. Dribble the ball to the middle. Garcia. And the bounce pass. Takulad once again. Back to Garcia. The long pass. One-on-one now. Framil will stop. To the middle. Decided to take easy. Balanay pull up the long distance. Bullseye. Balanay. And Baldonabe against Balanay. Stops for 3. Short. Rebound. Takulad. Takulad dancing at the floor. He steps inside. He lays. Yes, sir. Cut. Baldonabe. Attacking the defense. Hook pass to the middle. Hook shot. Basket is good. Vidal. Basket and one. Spinning the pass. Attacks bump. Inside pass. The lap pass and the finish. Vidal. Behind the back dribble. Pass it to the wing area. Attacking the defense. The list of the window bucket. Martin. To the middle high pass. And he stolen pass. Martin with the finish. Martin. 8. And the long pass. Fires at 3. No good. And the hook pass. And Martin, no. Aviola. Bagay. Pass it to the middle. Dancing at the floor. Bombing. Kicks it out. Step back. Bounce pass. Calosa. And here Cristobal. The pass. Post up. Kicks out. And for 3. No good. And here you go. Pass off the glass. Bucket. Vidal. Nabe. Fourth quarter action here. Passes to Vidal. Pass to the middle. Martin will attack. Bump. Pull up jumper. Won't go. And here comes Team Achievers. Takula dives. Lays. Bucket is good. And down to 3-point lead. Pass to Vidal. Vidal dribble the ball. To the middle. Deep 3. Nugget. Rebound. Mapupunta dito kay Atayde. Spinning. Lost the handle. Recover. And dives inside. Takulat. Bucket. Another 2. Back to back. Garcia to the middle. Atayde. Spinning. Passing. Inside pass. Bucket is easy. And Baldonamde dancing at the floor. Pass it to the middle. Vidal. Vidal to Baldonabe will fake. Bounce pass to the baseline. Inside pass. Lace. Easy bucket. Vidal. And here's the long pass. He steps inside. Fires. No good. Tips in. No good. Rebound. Bump and left-handed. No good. And fakes Balana at the free throw area. Bullseye. And stops. Guarded by 2. Pass to the middle. Attacking the defense. Left-handed lace. Yes, sir. Martin. Balanay. Ramos. Post up. High pass to the middle. Garcia. Corner. Takulat. Won't go. Rebound by Martin. The long pass. Eksakto yung basa. The lap pass and the finish. And 1. And here's Ugali. Ugali, pass to the wing area. Baldonabe. Kicks out. Martin. Goes to the screen. Hook pass to the middle. Vidal is spinning. Kicks out. Baldonabe. Wide open. Bang! Rebound. And here's Atayde. Attacking floater. Bucket is good. Atayde. Between the legs. And the pass, Martin to the middle. Baldonabe spinning. Pass to Vidal. Vidal pass to Martin. Martin will attack. Inside pass, the deliver and the finish. And high pass, corner, open look. Stepping back for 3. Bang! 3. And it's Balanay. Cristobal. To the middle, number 6. Balanay, long 2, bullseye. Balanay. 81-70, 11-point lead. And creating space, kicks it out. Gets through inside. Takulat, creating space. Kicks it out, open look fakes. Fakes, another fake. And the fire. Too strong. And here's Guillermo, waiting for his teammate. Decided to take it easy. Pass it to the middle. Vidal to Guillermo. Guillermo pupunas ng sapatos. Bump against Atayde. Gets inside. Vidal will fire. Short. Garcia spinning. To the middle. Atayde spins. Kicks out. Open look. He fires. Short. Rebound. Put back. Takulat. Inbound. Henry Baldonabe. The long pass. Ball is stolen. Garcia. Now in hurry. Guarded by 2. My foul. Ooh. It's really hurt. And is number 24 Martin. Will attack. Steps inside lace. No good. Rebound dito. 4 versus 1. 3 versus 2. The lace rejected. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Next seconds. Wala pa rin. And Ataide. The pass. Open look. Attacks. Katulad. Heel face. Nugget. Rebound kicks out sa kanila pa rin sa 3. Bang! Off the glass. Behind the back dribble. Oop. 81-76. 5-point lead for the Generals. The pass back. Here's Martin. Drive. Wow, bakit? Boys buhat. And stops. Baldonave setting the play. Pass to the middle. Vidal. Martin. Natapikan. Recover. Spinning. Attacking. Stops. Baseball pass. Vidal. Deep 3. Nugget. Rebound. And it is oop. Foul. Back for the inbound bounce pass. Takula is spinning. Asking for pick. Attacking the defense. Kill corner for 3. Nugget. Person the free throw. 47 seconds left. Bucket. Down to 4-point lead. 83-79. The second free throw is good. Down to 3-point lead. And here's the Generals. Baldonave is spinning. Attacking. Stop. Spinning. Kicks out. Martin Baldonave. Pass to the middle. And Martin crosses over. He steps inside. Low floater. Nugget. Rebound pass break. And here's the chance to deduct the lead. 1-point lead. And Ugali inbounding. 20 seconds on the game clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Natapikan. And recover by Martin. High pass. Natapikan. Stolen. A chance to lead the game. Bounce pass. Fires. Won't go. Tips in. Nugget. Rebound. Takulad. Lace. Basket for the lead. Up by 1. Oh. Oh. Clock. And the pass. Ugali. Steps. Pass the 3 for the win. Nugget. Rebound. Oh. Winner. Oh. Nasilat pa.